Usually there will be multiple departments in a company, such as sales, tech support, and human resources. They will handle different numbers of costs in every single day. Well, for a department with a few incoming costs, like human resources, you may want to distribute costs among all members. Whoever is available will answer the call. In this way, your employees will be more productive. Customer hold time will also be decreased. How could that happen? Here comes Ring Group. With this feature, we can put extensions of the same department into the same group. When callers reach the Ring Group, they will access any member available. What's more, we can also define the order to reach each member. Ring them together, or ring them one by one. Subscribe us for more info of VoIP features, or visit yaestar.com.